getting a raise feels like winning. More money, more comfort, more freedom. That's what we're told. But for most people, every raise actually makes life harder. Not immediately, quietly, and almost nobody notices it happening. This is the lifestyle inflation scam. Let's say you get a raise. 5%, 10%. It feels responsible to upgrade. A slightly nicer place, a better car, more convenience. Nothing crazy. But something strange happens. Your bank account doesn't grow. Your stress doesn't disappear. Your freedom doesn't increase. Because raises don't change your life. They change your expectations. Lifestyle inflation doesn't attack all at once. It whispers, "You deserve this. You've earned it. Everyone lives like this." One subscription, one upgrade, one payment. Each one feels small, but together they form a cage. The higher your income goes, the higher your minimum survival cost becomes. And once that number rises, it never wants to come back down.
Cars are the fastest way to erase a raise. You don't buy a car. You buy monthly payments, insurance, repairs, fuel, anxiety. A $400 raise disappears into a $450 payment. Now you need your job more than before. Not because you're irresponsible, but because the system normalized it. The car didn't give freedom. It demanded obedience.
Next comes housing. A better view, a nicer kitchen, a safer area. All reasonable, until rent quietly eats your future. Higher rent doesn't improve your finances, it improves your landlord's. And now every month starts with pressure. Before food, before saving, before breathing. You're not living better, you're living tighter inside nicer walls. Subscriptions are sneaky. They don't hurt when they start. $9.99, $12.99, $19.99. They feel harmless. But subscriptions stack, and once they're in your life, they become normal. Your raise didn't go to freedom, it went to silent monthly leaks you barely remember signing up for. Here's the truth most people miss. Poverty isn't low income. Poverty is high fixed costs. The more you earn, the more expensive your life becomes, and the harder it is to walk away. Your raise increased your lifestyle, not your safety, not your time, not your choices. That's why people earning six figures still feel trapped. Lifestyle inflation benefits everyone, except you. Banks, dealerships, landlords, subscription companies. They don't need you rich. They need you stable and dependent. Just comfortable enough to keep paying. Just stressed enough to keep working. That's the scam. There's a moment most people miss. The raise moment. You could keep your life the same. Let the extra money build distance, options, breathing room, power. But culture pushes upgrades because a simple life with growing cash flow doesn't look impressive. It just works. The raise wasn't the problem. The lifestyle was. If every raise makes you poorer, the system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed.